Hello, in this lecture I will talk about opening. Firstly, I click structure floor and draw a rectangular slab. Finish. We'll delete the span directions. If I click on the slab and click edit any area, if I draw any area in the slab, this area will be an opening. So finish, click 3D, this area now is opening. Click again, I can modify. Click, for example, arc, and finish again. This is an opening, okay? Click on opening by face, and click on slab. I can create an opening. And finish. This is an opening, this is an opening, okay? This opening I can select it. Properties, floor opening cut. I can click and edit only this opening, modify. But this opening I can't. If I can't modify, double click on slab and modify. If I will delete this opening, click and delete. This opening I can't. So I will select and select, delete, finish. Okay? So by face is the opening of Revit and area is an options and a way to create an opening. Okay? Shaft opening. What shaft opening? Click on shaft. Shaft opening is an opening for many stories. For example, this area, and finish. 3D. I will select this shaft. Properties, for example, this shaft is from level 2 to level 8. Okay? This is an opening. I won't select this slab and copy to clipboard and paste, align to selected level. For example, level 3 to level 8. So the shaft opening is from level 2 to level 8. Okay? I can click on this opening, edit, symbolic line. For example, the symbolic line of opening, finish. This is a symbolic line. Just symbolic, okay? Delete now walls. There are an opening for walls. You will delete the symbolic line. To create an opening for walls, click on any elevations. For example, this wall. So wall opening, I can create any opening, rectangular, and modify. For example, click, modify the dimensions, extend, and stretch the opening. Okay, can click 3D to see the opening. I can click and delete. And you can again, for example, east, double click and draw any area in this wall, finish. That will be an opening. Okay? Because the wall opening is only rectangular opening. Okay? Finish. I click on wall, can click reset profile. So structure, wall opening, and select wall, and you can select the wall and choose wall opening.